Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm glad to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a beautiful machine, the Espresso's coffee machine, fully automatic. And let's take a look at the overall size first. The entire unit length about like 14 inches wide and about like almost like 18 inches deep entirely. And the overall height is about like 22.5 inches tall. So as you can see, the machines is designed as in black colors. It's really luxury design. We have a big LED displays at the front. You can select all the menus you want, different flavors, and different coffee machine. They can make a different type of the coffee for you. And also they have a milk tank right here. If you like to drink the cappuccinos, this one is the best option for your office or for your home. And we have a coffee bean tanks at top. You can fill in all the beans right here. And the water tank as behind. And you can fill water by manually, and also have a pipe connect with the water connections. And you're looking down the units. We have a clean the drawer size on the side. You can open it to clean the stuff inside. And also we're having two separate drawer designed for the switch, for like dirty waters and the coffee ground. You can just separate to maintain them. And also this tray is removable too. The unit is commercial design, so they do have the ETL and sanitation sticker at the behinds of the units, using the standard 110 plugs for these machines. And for this tank is made by metal covers and plastic tray. You can simply to remove it. And they have a seals right here to prevent anything drop in. This will be all the information about these products. And if you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.